Hello friends, today we will write a Java program using assignment operator, and this is for the beginners. An alloy consists of 20 part of copper, 10 part of aluminium and 14 part of zinc. What is the percentage of each metal? You have to write a program to assign 3 parts of metal and calculate the percentage of each metal. Now for your knowledge, I'll tell you what is an alloy. An alloy is the combination of metals combined with one or more other metals. Now to write that program, you have to open BlueJ and then you have to define a class and you have to open the class. After that, you have to write the program. So how I have written, let me explain. I have written public class metal percentage. This is the class declaration. After that, the class opens, inside which you have main method, public static void main. Then the main method is opening, inside which you have 3 variables C, AI and Z. Int C is equal to 20, that means copper part is equal to 20. Int AI is equal to 10, means aluminium part is 10 and zinc is equal to 14 part. Next line, int S is equal to C plus AI plus Z. That is, you are adding up the 3 parts of the metal and storing it in S. Now you have to calculate copper percentage. I have taken the variable CPER for copper percentage is equal to C into 100.0 divided by S. This will find out the copper percent. Similarly, for aluminium percentage, you will write double AIPER is equal to AI into 100.0 divided by S. And the last calculation is zinc percentage, that is double ZPER is equal to Z into 100.0 divided by S. And after that, you have to print the percentage, the different percentage of metals. First one is system.out.println. Copper percentage is equal to C par, aluminium percentage is equal to AIPER, and system.out.println zinc percentage is equal to ZPER. After that, you are closing the main method and closing the class. After writing the program, compile it, see that the program is error free, and then run the main method. When you run the main method, the output will appear on the screen. You can see the output that I have got on the terminal window. Copper percent is equal to 45 point something, aluminium percentage is equal to 22 point something, and zinc percentage is equal to 31 point something. So this is my output. You try your program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep programming. And please do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you so much.